Good morning, good evening, good day. Hello, how are you doing? Welcome to my second or third iteration of the DreamGaussian 3D creation. Now, this is my second attempt making this video because I accidentally typed in the word let's go, or said the word let's go, and I got this monstrosity in front of me. But the reason I kept it in, not showing it properly there, I didn't do the body correctly. It's because if you zoom in, you can see it says let's go on it, which I think is pretty cool. Anyway, let's get on to the actual project. So what I've done is I've used the new advanced version of DreamGaussian to create an even better mesh, and I've added in a timer. Now the timer is 3 minutes and 30 seconds, so you can skip ahead in the video if you don't like what you're seeing, which I couldn't blame you because it's just going to be me jumping around in this world. And let's go. This time I'm going to do it correctly. So I actually always draw a blank as to what I'm going to create. So this time I'm just going to go with a red bus. Red bus. So the timer started, and I could show you my GPU to maybe liven up the screen. So I will do that. Video capture device. And oh no, sorry, wrong one. Window capture. Yes. Test manager. Oh no, wrong one. Test manager. There we go. Okay, so while we're waiting, you can see that DreamGaussian is running and my CPU is running up pretty high. I actually spent a few hours over the weekend trying to use CUPY, a new Python program or code that is apparently much faster at doing NumPy and I believe TensorFlow stuff. So, but I didn't succeed, broke my whole thing, and had to start all over again. So I have to stick with what we have rather than having 10 times speed or 4 times speed, which it was offering. But soon, I guess somebody out there is going to be a bit of a genius and throw it all together. Speaking of cool stuff, I was trying to script it so that I could drag an object in and then add the mesh collider, renderer, and rigid body, but it kept on falling through, as you can see there. So maybe if I remove this component for now while it's still running, the game is still going, so apparently I can still do stuff. And we will get rid of these two guys. Can I delete? Yes. Okay. Let's put in let's go again. Add component, rigid body. So rigid body is the guy that's killing me. So let's go again. That maybe should be what's written on it. Let's go again. So mesh collider, convex. Oh yeah, the shape of it. And now I'll do a rigid body on the same object. Boom, there we go. So this is what you should be seeing, or we would want to be getting. I tried to do this through a script, but Unity doesn't really like you just creating or importing an object while it's running. So that's part of the issues that I've been suffering from this. And if you ever wanted to visualize what Stable Diffusion thinks of Let's Go, this is what it is. Anyway, another few seconds and we should have our next object, and I think it'll appear around here. Hopefully it doesn't just fall through the floor. I actually forgotten what I asked for. A red bus. As you can see on the right up there. My right, your left, I don't know. The second iteration, main2.py of DreamGaussian, is running through. The timer is finished, so it should be done right around now. And the bus should be coming through. Oh, there we go. And here's our bus. Still a monstrosity. But I did find that if you actually give it more information when you're talking, then you do get better objects. And again, this is really new, and this is open source, and it's yeah, it's fun. And I think that if I shrank down the size of the objects and said, say, hand grenade or new ammo, and I had some keywords in the system, then you could add it to certain games out there. Or you could make a whole list of assets, and as long as you didn't really care what they look like, you could get this. It could be a funky world game. Who knows? Anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope it was informative. Bye.